Well, guys, hello. Our ideas are more or less focused on the UX and the user experience of a web page itself. We have several ideas about it. First, we have one page called Find, because if you go to the an alumni page, you're supposed to be looking for someone or something, right? So you just go to Find, and there are some filters over there. The first one, most important, is okay. What are you looking for? Someone or some event, something like that. After you have that done, then in which field, in general or something, then the location, and using a pretty simple Google Maps page or something, as they said there. We also think that's a very good idea, match with things over. So kind of move the map, giving it a little bit of animation to the page itself, and then you can just click on the pin, and if you're looking for a person, it will forward you to the profile page of the person. And there also we propose here like a keyword space in which you can write really like exactly what you're looking for, because I can be looking for an engineer or something, but really expert on I don't know, artificial intelligence or something. And people is supposed to have that written in the bio, right? What are you looking? What are you working on currently? So it's a simple correlation there, so that you find exactly who you're looking for. If you select then events or social, it takes you to the other two pages.
So we did some kind of search what's now is going on the website of the alumni portal, and we found there's no information about the social things that in our point is quite important. For example, you are already finished your studies and you got a job offer from another country which you don't know nothing about this country. For example, Colombia. I'm from Asia. Going to Colombia, and I don't know nothing about it. First of all, I will be looking for what? Accommodation, the insurance things, how to register, how I can bring my family to this country. So somehow for me it will be important before the study, before the research field. This part is quite important for me to get involved in this field. Yeah. So somehow I think that our alumni website can help me with it. And of course, apart from the social and research things, we all know that these events are also quite good things for all of us to communicate, to better know each other. So we think that it can be like one more link to the events. It can be, as other guys say, it can be workshops, summer schools, and for example, if you are going to make a startup, you can find other guys who are also interested in it, and the hobbies. If you are, so if I move to Colombia, I also, and excursions. For example, if I don't know nothing about Colombia, I want someone will help me to find a new place. And of course, we can share and celebrate the holidays together. For example, Easter's, Ramadan, and other common holidays. Yeah, that's all.